Welcome to my YouTube channel Gautami Tech Skills. In this Python series, we are going to learn another data type called Boolean Datatype. Let's discuss. Open Jupyter Notebook and type heading as Boolean Datatype and mark it as Markdown. Boolean type is one of the built-in data types provided by Python, which represents one of the two values, that is true or false. Let us have an example that a is equal to true. Actually, Boolean data types are keywords. A equal to true. If I print this variable type, we can able to see that it is a bool data type, nothing but a boolean. For suppose a b is equal to false, if I try to print the data type of the variable b, it is also a type of a boolean data type. Usually these boolean data types used to represent a truth values of the expression. For example, print, just compare two values like this, 45 equal to 90. So what I am doing here is I am just comparing 45 and 90 whether they are similar or not using the operator called relational operator equal to. If I run this cell, you will see the output as false, which means these two values are not similar. For suppose if I have given the value like this, 45 equal to 45. Yes, these two values are similar. If I run this, I can get the output as a one more boolean value called true. So that is what this explanation. Boolean values are used to represent the truth values of the expression. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we are going to learn another data type. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more notifications. Like, share, comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.